Bilis of noon.
Good morning. You are... Thank you. Tell me about yourself.
My name is Solito Mercado Jr. I am 20 years old. My birthday is on October 1, 1992.
And your father is?
My father's name is Solito Mercado.
Siblings?
Yes. I have 4 brothers and 2 sisters.
You are the youngest.
I'm the middle.
Okay.
I am a person with strong interpersonal skills and the ability to get along with the other people. I am a person with strong interpersonal skills and have the ability to get along well with people. I enjoy challenges and looking for creative solutions to problems. I believe in character, values, vision, and action. I am quick in learning from mistakes. I am confident that the various tests that have been conducted corroborate my competence aptitude for the job.
Okay. Then,
I am adaptable so I can handle any type of people and situations and also bring out the best from them in spite of conflicting situation or opinions. I am a quick learner so I can subject quickly and analyze my job and add value to it as well as I can identify the problem and solve them faster and better.
and then, what is your weakness or weaknesses in life?
I believe one of my weaknesses is my impatience.
Why?
Whenever I work in a team and any of the team members don't perform up to the expectation, I get impatient and annoyed. I understand if they are working hard and if their position is difficult, but sometimes a person can do the assignment due to
On which weaknesses should we reject you?
you may be assured that I am constantly working on them to get the day by day. And I am confident in the near future most of the weaknesses will not be yes, I can handle pressure of work whenever there is pressure of work. We need to tackle it from the mental and physical standpoint. Mental standpoint will be in a state of relaxation and composure so that I can feel stressed out during the course of the work. And what
What are your goals?
my short-term goal is to get into management position. The last 5 years of my career, I have concentrated on learning and acquiring all the managerial skills. Recently, I've taken more responsibilities in management because I eventually want to become production manager. And I feel I'm doing a diligent job by volunteering for extra work for gain more experience and hope to be in a management position within a year or 2. My long-term goal is to become partner for a consulting firm. I know a lot of hard work, determination, and patience is required to become a partner. Many people fail to become a partner, but that's not going to stop me anyway. From working, hard work, and learning everything I can, I know it's going to be tough, but becoming a partner is a long-term goal of mine. And I am going to work towards this goal throughout my career.
Major is IFS, right? What is that?
Management Information System.
Why did you choose it?
Because my mom said that it will help to our business.
So, because of your mother. And what is your second choice? Your one?
My second choice is financial management
Why?
because all about money.
Oh. Why do you want to work for us?
Your company has one of the fastest growth rate and turnover in the industry, and that will mean a faster growth rate for me as a professional.
Are you willing to relocate or travel abroad?
Yes.
Okay. You know this company.
I learned that this company had a great work environment and is an employee-oriented. It's a place where strong contributors are rewarded, and I want to work for a company with opportunities, and I know this company will definitely provide me. I seek three things from job, and
What is it?
competence, challenging rules, and learning opportunities. I want a position where I apply my skills and abilities at start so that I can add some value to the organization.
Your answer is good, but we can text you or call you after the day. So thank you, Mr. Mercado, for coming and your